Let's put together this fuel tank. This trailer comes with a fuel tank, and you can call this hydraulic oil. You could say DEF if you weren't afraid of that, or call it whatever you want. And then we have compartments up front. It comes with 4 tires, as you can see here. This will arrive unpainted and likely be gray. You'll want to wipe this down with rubbing alcohol, prime and paint the color of choice, and then prime and paint your wheels color of choice. These do come all in one piece. So as you can see here, these are all flat black. I use generic paint from a discount store on both the trailer and the tires. We'll come with some styrene for axles, and what you'll need to do first is separate the tires from this tree. You want to use a flat-sided side cutter, cut as close as you can. If you happen to have some sort of rod that already fits that hole in there, please use it. If you don't, 1mm rod, you will need to make this hole a little bigger. Now for fun, I'm going to go ahead and add some color to these fill caps and make them look a little different. And I'm going to add some color to my lights with my red paint pen. Finally, I'm going to take my chrome pen and add some color to the inside of these wheels. All right, our trailer's done. Let's go put it behind a pickup and see how it looks.